Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? Coming to you from, what's the date? May the 29th, 2025. Coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. It's been a while since I did a video. Didn't see a need to do a video until now. So been enjoying myself here, and again, I'm on CoinGecko. What do we got here? Total, my glasses are dirty. Total crypto market cap, 3.472 trillion. That's healthy. I've said in other videos, depending on who you listen to, who you follow, who you believe, all or none of the above, we could be going up 6, 8, 10, 12, 15 trillion. Again, pick your range. No one knows exactly, but yeah, that's it. I'm fine, doing well. I got a couple emails saying, hey man, did you fall off the face of the earth? I'm like, no, I'm at international, global, galactic headquarters. Actually kind of raining today. I don't know if you could see it, but anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Things are going well, and again, get your popcorn, sit back and relax. And yeah, I haven't received any emails lately, but I did, I don't know, a month or two ago, month and a half. I'm right by the airport. Yeah, no need to be bearish at all. Again, has the market gone up as quick as I wanted it to? Absolutely not. Am I a little frustrated? Absolutely. But you know what? Don't get shaken out. And again, cryptos are more long-term for me. So what I bought in 2017 is way up. What I bought in 2020 is way up. So anyhow, I'm kind of rambling. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99, all's well. Man, does my hair look good. And that's it. Have a good day. Love y'all. Bye-bye.